Question 23. Well, a stratified sample is when the sample is in the same proportions as the population. Now for part B, we're being asked to work out the number of people over 60 years of age in the sample, in this stratified sample. So let's kick off by working out what the population is, the total number of people. So add up this column giving us 599. We're told that the sample size is 50. So using your calculator, do 599 divided by 50, and that gives us 11.98. So our sample comprises 1 out of every 11.98 people in our part of the population. So we are looking for the over 60s. Well, there are 314 in that population. We want 1 out of every 11.98. So 314 divided by 11.98 is 26.21 people. Now, of course, remember, don't try and give this to some number of decimal places. You round up or you round down to a whole person. So the number of people over 60 years of age in our sample is 26.